If your Jira backlog is overflowing, filled with duplicates, outdated tasks, or issues that no longer matter, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a Jira issue step by step in the simplest, most beginner-friendly way possible. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to clean up your Jira workspace like a pro and keep your projects organized and efficient. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. Once you're in, land on your main Jira dashboard. This is where your journey begins. From here, click on Your Work. This section works almost like your personal hub. It shows your recent tasks, projects, and boards, making it the fastest way to jump into any ongoing work. Next, choose the project that contains the issue you want to delete. Think of Jira projects as containers where all your tasks, stories, bugs, and issues live. Depending on your team structure, you might have several projects listed, so make sure you're opening the correct one. Once your project loads, navigate to the backlog. The backlog is basically the holding area for all upcoming work, anything that hasn't yet been added to an active sprint. Here, you'll see a list of pending issues, and this is where you'll locate the one you want to remove. After you spot the issue, click on it to open the detailed view. You'll usually see the issue information pop up on a side panel or overlay, depending on how your Jira environment is configured. Now comes the important part. Look for the 3-dot More Options menu, often called the kebab menu. Click on it. This opens a list of additional actions you can take on the selected issue. Among them, you'll find the Delete option. Before you click Delete, pause for a moment and double check you have the right issue. Once an issue is deleted in Jira, it's not easily recoverable. This is why Jira will show you a confirmation pop-up. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm. And just like that, the issue is permanently removed from your backlog and project records. Go to your work, open the project, head to the backlog, select the issue, click the 3 dots, choose delete, and confirm. Simple, clean, and effective deleting issues isn't just about keeping things tidy. It helps your team avoid confusion, improves collaboration, and keeps sprint planning focused on what actually matters. Just remember, if there is even a small chance the issue might be useful later, consider marking it as done or moving it instead of deleting it outright. Thanks for watching this full guide on how to delete a Jira issue. If this tutorial helped you simplify your workflow, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more Jira tips and productivity guides. Until next time, keep your boards clean and your projects running smoothly. Goodbye.